Have you ever opened your refrigerator and noticed that the freezer is cold, but the refrigerator section is warm? Or maybe your refrigerator is making a strange buzzing, humming, or clicking noise. The problem could be the evaporator fan motor. What is a refrigerator evaporator fan motor? The evaporator fan motor is an electrical motor located inside the freezer compartment of most refrigerators. Attached to the motor is a fan blade. When the refrigerator is running, the evaporator fan motor spins the fan and moves cold air throughout the refrigerator. You can usually find the evaporator fan behind a panel inside the freezer compartment. The exact location can vary depending on the refrigerator model. What does the evaporator fan motor do? The evaporator fan motor circulates cold air. Here's how it works. The evaporator coil inside the freezer becomes very cold as the refrigeration system operates. The evaporator fan pulls air across that cold evaporator coil. The fan then pushes the cold air through air passages and vents throughout the refrigerator. This allows the refrigerator and freezer to maintain the proper temperature. So you can think of the evaporator fan motor as the part that moves the cold air where it needs to go. What is its main function? The main function of the evaporator fan motor is to circulate cold air throughout the refrigerator. Without proper airflow, the cold air cannot be distributed correctly. The freezer may still produce cold air, but the refrigerator section can become too warm. The evaporator fan also helps maintain a more even temperature inside the appliance. In simple terms, the evaporator coil creates the cold, and the evaporator fan distributes that cold air. How do you know if the evaporator fan motor has stopped working? There are several signs that can indicate a bad evaporator fan motor. The refrigerator section is warm. One of the most common symptoms is a refrigerator that is warm while the freezer is still cold. If the evaporator fan isn't circulating air, the refrigerator compartment may not receive enough cold air. You don't hear the fan running. When the refrigerator is operating, you will normally hear a soft humming or whirring sound from the evaporator fan. If the fan is completely silent when it should be running, the motor could be defective. However, keep in mind that some refrigerators may temporarily turn the fan off during normal operation or during a defrost cycle. There is no airflow from the vents. Place your hand near one of the refrigerator's air vents. If the refrigerator is supposed to be cooling but you don't feel air moving, there could be an airflow problem. A failed evaporator fan motor is one possible cause. The fan makes a strange noise. A failing fan motor may make unusual sounds such as buzzing, grinding, squealing, clicking, rattling. Sometimes the motor may try to start but have difficulty turning. The freezer is cold, but the refrigerator is warm. This is another important symptom. If the freezer is maintaining a cold temperature, but the refrigerator compartment is significantly warmer than normal, check the evaporator fan and the airflow system. A blocked air passage, heavy frost buildup, or a defective fan can all cause this problem. How can you check the evaporator fan? Before inspecting the fan, unplug the refrigerator from the electrical outlet. Never put your fingers near a moving fan blade. Once the refrigerator is safely disconnected from power, you can inspect the fan area. Look for ice blocking the fan blade, anything preventing the blade from turning, damaged fan blades, loose wiring or connectors, signs of overheating or damage. If the fan blade is difficult to turn by hand, the motor bearings may be worn or the motor may be failing. Some refrigerators also use a fan motor that is controlled electronically, so electrical testing should be performed according to the manufacturer's service information. A refrigerator that has poor airflow does not always have a bad evaporator fan motor. Other problems can cause similar symptoms. For example, a defective defrost system can cause the evaporator coil to become covered in ice. A clogged air passage can restrict airflow. A faulty control board can prevent the fan from receiving power. A problem with the door switch can affect fan operation on some models. A wiring or connector problem can interrupt power to the motor. That's why proper diagnosis is important before replacing the part. What happens if you keep running the refrigerator with a bad evaporator fan? If the evaporator fan motor has completely stopped working, the refrigerator may have difficulty maintaining the correct temperature. The freezer may continue to get cold in certain situations, while the refrigerator compartment becomes warmer. Food can spoil if the refrigerator temperature becomes too high. That's why it's important to diagnose the problem as soon as you notice unusual temperatures or airflow problems. The evaporator fan motor is located inside the freezer compartment of most refrigerators. Its job is to spin the fan blade and circulate air across the cold evaporator coil and throughout the refrigerator. Its main function is to provide proper airflow so the refrigerator and freezer can maintain the correct temperatures. Signs of a possible failed evaporator fan motor include a warm refrigerator section, little or no airflow, unusual fan noises, or a fan that doesn't operate when it should. But remember, other problems can cause the same symptoms, so proper testing is important before replacing the motor. If this video helped you understand what a refrigerator evaporator fan motor does and how to recognize the signs of a problem, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more appliance repair tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.